Hello Year 8, I hope you're all well and enjoying the sunshine. I want to begin today by saying thank you. So many of you have been in touch over the last week to let me know how you're getting on, to make book recommendations, just to say hi. Thank you. It's great to hear from you. It's nice to know that I'm not talking to myself and that you are out there Year 8. I've had plenty of emails again from your teachers saying how well you're all doing. So let me share their praise with you now. So first of all, we've got Mrs Hitch from History. She has nominated Holly B. Holly has written a fantastic essay on the Great Reform Act. Last week she completed all of her tasks, including the challenge task, and made some fantastic VE Day bunting. Her effort is amazing. Well done, Holly. Next, Mrs Smalling Art wants to recognise Katie F and Maria K for their amazing artwork. Well done, girls. Over in drama, Mr Moore says well done to Epinay. She's producing really good, well thought through and detailed work each week for the Murder Mystery Project. This week in particular, she's written 2 really nice alibi monologues. Mr Moore is really pleased with you. Well done, Epinay. The IT team would like to say well done to Lauren F, Connor H, Abby R and Liam F. And Miss Capel in Science says well done to Lauren F, Poppy N and Chloe H. All 3 girls have been doing really well for the past week or so. They've completed multiple pieces of work to a really high standard. They've also responded to feedback and have shown great perseverance with some of the more challenging tasks. It's great to hear, girls, well done. In English, I would like to say well done to Molly S and Cameron W for the continued lovely work that they keep sending me, so well done. Mr Wood wants to say well done to Lucas W for his brilliant book review. The rest of the English team want to recognise Alex P for his excellent Gothic story, Holly B for a continued effort and hard work, Isaac B for his excellent film review, and Lydia E for her brilliant effort and lovely vocabulary. Great work, everyone. In music, Miss Smith says well done to Epinay for her work this week, plus her excellent keyboard skills in learning Hedwig's theme. Miss Smith said she was really pleased with all of Year 8. She's had some fantastic work from you over the past few weeks, so well done, everyone. Mr Robinson in Geography says well done to Amber H, Lydia E and Ethan R for the super amount of work that they've been submitting. Well done, you guys. And Mr Scolding in Maths wants to recognise Lydia E, who's gone out of her way to do extra work on a topic of her choice. He's really impressed with you, Lydia, so well done. And finally, Miss Allen wants to say well done to Alex P in 8 LAL for his outstanding work across the subjects, and Abby T in 8 LAL for her persistent determination to access school resources and keep on track. Well done, everyone. It's fantastic to hear such good things about you all. You're making us all really, really proud. And parents, don't forget to send me your superstar nominations too. I'm now going to pass you over to Mr Coulson and Mrs Oates as they have a few messages for you all.
Good morning, Year 8. It's brilliant to see that we're still getting nominations from teachers. I've had Mr Scollin who sent Lydia E's work in this week, which is absolutely brilliant. I've also had Isabel C's from Mr O'Keefe, which is fantastic work again. Just a quick update there. Just make sure you're keeping yourself well, and also just to make sure you're checking your teachers and your form tutors when they do send their emails out. Keep looking after yourself, stay well, I look forward to seeing you soon.
Good morning, Year 8, Mrs Oates here. Just a quick message to say that I'm thinking about you all and I'm missing you all, and I hope that you're all well and safe. Especially my phone, okay, I'm missing you guys a lot. So please keep your emails coming in to me. It's lovely to hear from you when you're telling me what you've been up to and that you're okay, or even if you're struggling. It is really, really nice to hear from you all and get those emails. So please keep sending me some emails. I haven't got a book to review, I'm afraid. I haven't been reading like Mrs Wharton has, so no book review, but I have a message to you all to try and stay active. I've been going on some runs, I've been taking my dog out for a nice long walk, and I've been on my bike cycling around various places. And it does cheer you up, it makes you feel a lot better. So if you can, try and stay active, but stay safe while you are being active. Get out in the fresh air, get some exercise done, it will make you feel better. Hopefully we'll see you all back in school soon, but until then, take care. Bye.
Thank you very much for those. And Miss Talbot has also passed on a following message to 8 NTA. She says, hi form, I hope you're all well and staying safe. I'm only an email away if you want to chat or need any support. Also, if you've been a superstar regarding anything during this pandemic, I'd love to hear about it. I look forward to seeing you at some point this year. Take care, Miss Talbot. Now, last week I spoke to you all about one of my favourite books, The Secret Garden, and it got lots of you talking. Plenty of you have been in touch to share your story, your love of this story. So rather than I talk to you about it this week, I'm going to hand over to the wonderful Miss Wilson.
Secondly, I wanted to come on to talk to you about a book that I'm reading. I saw Miss Wharton's recommendation last week that she was going to read Secret Garden, and I just had to get myself a new copy. Love, love, love the book. My old copy was really, really old and dog-eared. Lovely new book I've got now. I'm about halfway through it, and it just fills me with warm, fuzzy feelings inside. It's a real family tradition. My grandma used to read it to me. My mum used to read it to me. I read it to my daughter. There are similarities. It's about a 10-year-old girl who gets sent away from India. There's cholera in India, and she gets sent to her uncle's mansion in Yorkshire. She's never met her uncle. She's quite a bossy little madam, and people used to say that reminded them of me. And a long, long story. A lovely little Robin helps her find a key in the mansion when she goes exploring for a secret garden. She's quite unhappy and a bit miserable at the beginning, understandably. But this key opens a gate for this secret garden. It's just amazing. It changes her life. She then finds a cousin that she didn't know she'd got, a sickly young boy, very similar age to her. She makes lots of friends, the maid, a gardener. Such a lovely story, nice ending. I won't spoil it for you, but it's very, very well written, very magical, lovely descriptive writing. I was actually a bit disappointed when I watched the film. It's not quite as good as the book. I'd got better pictures conjured up in my head than the film. So please, well worth a read. Hope you're all staying safe, keeping looking after each other, and just being as kind and making the most out of this weird time that we're in. Hope to see you soon. Bye.
Thank you, Miss Wilson. Next week, I'm going to be reading a book recommended by Holly B. So thanks, Holly, for this. Now, many of you will have read The Hunger Games in Year 7, and any Year 7s watching, I know that you've just read it too. And I think we can all agree it's a fantastic book. And many of us have gone on to read the next Suzanne Collins books and also to watch the films. Well, yesterday, Suzanne Collins released a new book called The Ballad of Songbirds and Snakes. It's part of the Hunger Games series. However, this book focuses on the story of President Snow and more about his background and his life. Now, I'm waiting for my copy to be delivered any time now, and I can't wait to get reading. So give me a shout if you're reading it too, or feel free to recommend a different book for next week. Thanks, Holly B, for this week's recommendation. And if you didn't already know, this week is Mental Health Awareness Week, with a theme this year being kindness. Check out the Netherwood Learning platform to find a whole section dedicated to wellbeing, and also take a look at Netherwood Facebook and Twitter for 30 Acts of Kindness Challenge. Why not give it a go, see how many you can do, and let me know how you get on. Now, before I go, many of you will have seen, read or heard about our George M. If you don't already know, George has been really, really unwell. I just wanted to say to George, I hope you have felt all the well wishes, all the love and prayers around our community for you. We've all been rooting for you and are so pleased to hear that you are on the mend. We wish you all the best for a super speedy recovery. Here's a quick message from some people you may know.
Hello George, it's Mrs Moffat here. Just a quick message to say I was so sorry to hear that you were so poorly, but I'm really pleased that you're doing well. I'm missing you. I hope you're managing to catch up on some work, but don't worry about that. Just take care, enjoy the sunshine and look after yourself. See you soon, bye.
Good morning Year 8, Mrs Headley here. Speaking live from my bedroom. Cut my fringe specially this morning. Not done a good job as you can see, but never mind anyway. Right, hope you're all alright and you're recharging batteries. Now then, this message this morning goes specially out to George Mitchell. Yes, you young man. And all I want to say is you get well soon. Alright, my darling. Sending lots of love to you all. Recharge those batteries and I hope to see you very soon. Bye. Oh, by the way, and I hope you're watching my Harry Potter reading. I've moved on to the Chamber of Secrets today. Alright, my lovelies, you take care. Bye.
Hello Year 8, Mrs Hay here again. I hope you're all doing well. It's been lovely weather, hasn't it? And the sun's set to continue this week, so hopefully you're all getting out and about. Me and my family have certainly been finding lots of new country paths and things that we've never explored before. So let us know if you found anything new and exciting that you didn't know was in your local area. So This week, hopefully, a few more of you will be getting in contact with some work. I've been hearing that Year 8 are doing really well so far. So if any of my form want to drop me any of the work they're doing, I'd love to see it and give you some feedback on that. And anybody else who I teach, even if it's just for a reading lesson, if you want to send me anything that you're really proud of, then I'd love to see it. Also, last little message from me, I'd love to say a really big get well soon to George. And hopefully we'll all be seeing each other at school soon. Bye.
Also, just a quick message for George M. It's lovely to hear that you have recovered from this horrible virus. I do look forward to seeing you back in school. It's nice to know that you are safe and you're back home. Keep safe. Look after yourself.
Hi, Year 8. Just thought I'd take a minute and come on and say hello and hope you're all keeping safe and well and looking after your families. I've just seen my hair. I apologise for that. I'd forgotten I was coming on camera. Not good. Sorry about that. Two things I want to say. First of all, just such good news to see that George from your year is getting better after such a frightening illness. George, I don't know George very well. George doesn't know me, but I do know his mum. We've sent some of our students down to the care home where mum works. She must be so relieved, and all his family must be, to have him getting better and improving now. So lovely news about George.
Hi George, just a quick message to say I hope you have a speedy recovery and things are looking up. I know you've been super brave and staying strong, and you've just got to keep that positive attitude that you have. My thoughts are with you and your family at this time as well.
Morning Year 8, Miss Allen here. A couple of things to share with you this morning. First of all, the food department has started a newsletter. We've got so many lovely pieces of work that we want to share with you, so we thought this would be a nice way to do it. So please keep sending your work in by email to myself or Miss Wilson. It's making us very happy and very proud of you all. Second of all, I just want to say we hope you are having a speedy recovery, George, and we're thinking about you lots. So we've made you a nice little picture this morning. Okay, get well soon, stay safe, and we'll see you all soon at Netherwood. Bye.
Finally, Year 8, keep up the great work. Remember to read your emails, reply to your teachers, keep safe, take care, and I hope to see you soon. Bye-bye, Year 8.